And then here you'll find your hPanel. This is where you can manage your deployment and your hosting. Right here, you may have some items on your to-do list. And if you click on this here in the top left, and then click on websites, click on Node.js, you should see your web app listed right here. Underneath it, click on dashboard. And then right here, you'll be able to see all of the information regarding your deployment. You can access your settings right here. You'll see your current deployment, and then some other miscellaneous information down here. You may see some information regarding your domain right here. Make sure after this video, you check the email that your domain was registered to, and you'll find an email from Hostinger that has a link. You just click on that and it verifies your domain. And if you ever need help with finding something in your Hostinger dashboard, go to the top right and click on Ask AI. This is going to open up the Kodee AI. You can ask it any question and it's super helpful. And if it can't figure something out for you, it's going to connect you to a live agent. And from my experience, it's been super helpful.